Welcome to Mega Kit. I hope you are enjoying this channel. It is educational, informative as well as entertaining. Today we are going to see one of our favorite kit, smoke detector MK-060. It is a smoke detector, a useful safety device for fire detection in societies as well as industrial field. Now let us see the circuit diagram. Slot type opto isolator is used here as a smoke detector. Infrared LED is an transmitter and the phototransistor is NPN type. The infrared LED is connected to supply through resistance R1. The light emitted by the LED transmitter is received by the phototransistor. The transistor is NPN type. The collector connected to the supply through R3 and P1. So the voltage level at the collector can be fed by P1. T1, T2 are BC557 PNP transistor form the Schmitt trigger, so that whenever the input level is above the reference level fed by R5 and R6, output of the Schmitt trigger level is above the reference level fed by R5 and R6. Output of the Schmitt trigger will be high. The output of the Schmitt trigger will be inverted and amplified by the transistor T3 and T4 BC547 NPN transistor. The collector of the transistor T4 fires the gate of SCR1. Normally the signal level is low, so the output of the Schmitt trigger is also low. As the smoke starts gathering in between the transmitter and receiver, the intensity of the light received by the phototransistor goes on decreasing, and so the output of the phototransistor goes on increasing. As soon as it crosses the threshold voltage, output of the Schmitt trigger will toggle, T4 will fire SCR and the output LED will be on. You can connect the load up to 200 mA, that is the relay, buzzer, lamp, and get audio visual indication. The circuit is reset by disconnecting the supply. Now let us see the part list. These are the parts required for this particular kit. Now let us see the parts required for this kit. This is the PCB required for this particular kit. This is the component side of the PCB. This is the track side of the PCB. This is the opto isolator quantity 1. BC557 2 number. BC547 NPN transistor quantity 2 number. BT169 SCR quantity 1 number. 6.2 volt half watt Zener diode quantity 1. 3 mm red LED quantity 1 number. 3 to 30 volt DC buzzer quantity 1 number. Preset 10K quantity 1 number. 390 ohm 1/4 watt carbon film resistor quantity 1 number. 27K 1/4 watt carbon film resistor quantity 1 number. 1K 1/4 watt carbon film resistor quantity 2 number. 100K 1/4 watt carbon film resistor quantity 3 number. 4K7 1/4 watt carbon film resistor quantity 3 number. Now let us see the demonstration. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2 second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhosri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.